Don't let him fool you guys. I taught him how to cook.
Who not dice?
Who that?
Yeah, David.
Bless up yourself.
Bless up the car, man, Antoine.
Time, man. All of them have done.
Jamaicans that living in the US and coming down, this is the process. See them? Having a bag from Thursday, no, Tuesday. Today, Friday. The flight come, and guess what? Nobody coming out with no bags. They're not telling you for where we are. This is what it's like. Don't come down here. Don't come on JetBlue. No relief, nothing. Don't bring no relief. Come on Jamaica. This is what it is. Arms house, dirty people. Them don't give a fuck. This is what it's like. People frustrated. Them come down for help them family, and this is how we are get. Be a disrespect.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up. And welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, we're there with a hot one, my people. A hot one. May I beg on a like, share, subscribe on the video, my people. Wanna see Wagwan, my people. Sean Paul, active on the ground. Very active. The man all day in the kitchen, angle food for the people. So, all hands on deck, my people. Alright. And there's also an update. I see JetBlue blocking persons at the the international airport from bringing in relief things. Now, it was just a few days we were in the media with Buju and all of this, so I really don't even understand what is happening. Anybody can shed some light on it, I would love that. My people, before we get tonight, today is a national day of prayer for Jamaica. You understand? So before me run the clip, them people, me just gotta drop the prayer. And people, may I beg you to stay on and let us have some reverence. National Prayer Day for Jamaica. Can I get a amen, my people? Can I get a amen? Alright, people, you don't know them things here needed. You understand? Definitely needed in order for Jamaica to get back to where it used to be. Without God, nothing is possible, my people. Alright, now on that update, let me go to the big news now.
That we do all over the world would not be possible without each and every one of you. The reason why we call this little meeting together is because of all of your hard work, all of your friends and family in the grill, everyone we have in Mandeville, and where we started in Kingston. We just surpassed 1 million meals served.
That boy, Junior. Attaboy. Back. Boy. It was on you.
And that is because all of your hard work.
Yeah, my people, who no hear that? Try know that. Alright, so World Kitchen, you don't know they have been a part of the whole Hurricane Melissa relief program. So they have successfully announced that they have cooked over 1 million meals, my people. So in our head, if you know, say over 1 million Jamaicans has been served food so far from this whole hurricane ordeal to now. And people, I don't know how long, but I went and I viewed for myself. You can see that on the channel that I've been there. This is going to take years for Jamaica to recover based on what I see. So, you don't know. Big up to everybody who help. All hands on deck. Bless up on yourself. People, yes, I'm going to jump off. I'm going to continue like, share, subscribe on the video. Big up on yourself. Jamaican chat. I'm out.
Why we call this little meeting together is because of all of your hard work, all of your friends and family in the grill, everyone we have in Mandeville, and where we started in Kingston. We just surpassed 1 million meals served.
That boy, Junior. Attaboy. Back. Boy. It was on you.